What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to a little update on HFT, the main token, the main governance token of the Hashflow decentralized exchange. I wanted to make a quick new video about it. I covered it yesterday, in which we talked about some important things after the launch. The launch, obviously, we decreased a lot. I think the launch price was $2.5. And right now we're at 93 cents. So obviously a lot of investors are angry, rightfully so. So that's why I made a video just covering what happened and why it dropped down that significantly. And we couldn't really take a look at the price. This morning we can take a look at the price a little bit more, but I do want to spend some time again for those who missed it about what happened yesterday. So yesterday Hashflow, which we will quickly go over what that is later. But it got listed on major exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken even, which barely happens that a token gets listed that early, but it got listed on major exchanges, mainly on Binance with their whole launchpad. But it got listed with a listing price of $2.5, which placed it at like a 500 million market cap, 400 million. Which is insane, all right? It's insane to start a coin off there, obviously. A volume increase because a lot of people are selling, a lot of people are buying, a lot of people think that they're buying at a low price because of that high listing price. I'm not sure if that's true. I mean, Hashflow, if we talk about what the project is, it's a decentralized application, which but then a little bit more centralized. It's you want to buy something and you get a quote. You have liquidity pools and they are not managed by an automated market maker. But by a person or a group, a professional market maker, a PMM instead of an AMM. That's all. And I used Hashflow to kind of test it out because I want to know what it does, and it actually works very well. But a 500 million market cap to start off with, it's a little bit too much, I think. So that's why we dropped down. It's not a scam, it's not a rug pull, it's not the team selling, it really isn't. The tokens of the team and the investors, which is about 40% of the supply, that's not even in circulation yet. It has a 1 year cliff and then it's vested over like 3 to 5 years. So for the first year they don't get any coins. That does mean that after a year there will be quite a lot of inflation, so that's for the long term, that's something to watch out for. That's also why I don't think Hashflow is that good of an investment, but yeah, that's my opinion. And yeah, I just think the market cap is too high, but that's what happens. And yeah, I mean, you can still say that listing price was too high, and I 100% agree with you on that. And I would also be angry if I invested in that, but yeah. So here you can see a lot of fake coin, rug pull token, trash coins. Dumping. It's just not true. All right, it's just poor decision making in the listing price, and then the market decides how much it is worth. And that's also something we have to take a look at right now. I think 160 million is still a little bit high for the valuation, so we have to incorporate that into the price analysis. Right now you can clearly see that we have some bearish momentum, some continuing bearish momentum. The one thing that could happen to actually stop that and to get some sort of a rally with Hashflow, like on the short term, and we are on the 5-minute time frame. I know it's hard to analyze there, but at least we can say something. Our main resistance level right now really is around $1, a big psychological resistance level. If we can break above that, we can actually see some sort of a rally up to like 1.15 at least. And then from there, we either continue that all the way up to like 1.3 and 1.35, or which is more likely, or we drop back down. So that's like the one thing that's bullish that could happen. All right, that's possible. Is this very likely though? Also, given the bearish fundamentals that we had throughout the day today with Binance and FTX, I don't think so. But it's possible, and it's a newly launched token. A lot of things can happen. I don't think, if we also take a look at the valuation, I think it's a little bit more likely that we'll continue this drop down slowly, and we might have rallies in between that drop down, but I think we'll drop down to 75 cents and 70 cents. That really is my my first support level upon which I even would consider maybe buying something. But yeah, so I think that this is way more likely than this, just given the fundamentals and given the launch and given the valuation. But yeah, I mean, that's my opinion. That's my analysis. You can obviously differ in your analysis, but for now, yeah, that's it. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.